Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Lucid Trading account to Ninjatrader. First, get your Rithmic credentials from Lucid Trading. Most prop firms, including Lucid Trading, use Rithmic for order execution. When you sign up, you will receive your username, password, and system name, such as Rithmic Paper for practice or Rithmic Live for real trading. Make sure you have these details ready before proceeding. Next, install and open Ninjatrader. Download the latest version from the official site and wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, launch the platform and let it load fully so all features are ready. Now, go to the connection setup. Click on Connections in the top menu. Then select Configure. This will open the connection settings where you can add new broker connections. Add a Rithmic connection by clicking Add, and then choose Rithmic for Ninjatrader brokerage. This is the correct option for Lucid accounts. So make sure you don't select any other provider. Enter your login details carefully, fill in your username, password, and system. The system field is very important, so double check that you select the correct one provided by Lucid, such as Rithmic Paper or Rithmic Live. Once everything is entered, click OK or Connect. Finally, verify your connection. The status should show connected. After that, you can open your chart, super DOM, and order entry panel. Now your Lucid Trading account is fully linked to Ninjatrader and you're ready to start the trading. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.